Hi everyone, welcome to science class. So the other week we learned about the life cycle of a ladybug, and it reminded us of when we grew our own butterflies in the classroom. And so we talked about all the different stages. Well, today we're going to read an article about life cycles and focus on metamorphosis. And then we're going to compare and contrast the life cycle of a ladybug and the life cycle of a butterfly. Are y'all ready? Let's get started. Life cycles, metamorphosis. Crawling caterpillars become flying butterflies. Swimming tadpoles become leaping frogs. These changes are some of nature's greatest wonders. They are examples of metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a series of changes in an animal's body. The animal goes through these changes as it grows. Metamorphosis begins when the animal is a baby, and it ends when the animal is an adult. Now that we've learned about metamorphosis, we're going to compare the life cycle of a ladybug with the life cycle of a butterfly. We have visuals and the stages right here. For instance, we have egg, adult ladybug. We have the pupa and the larva. So remember they said you always start with the adult. So the adult ladybug, we're going to place right here. Now the adult ladybug lays its eggs, do y'all remember where? On the bottom or underside of a leaf. So the next stage or next series is eggs. We have the adult ladybug who lays her eggs underneath the leaf. Then the eggs hatch and they become a larva. The larva then becomes the pupa and hides in that hard shell as it grows and transforms into a ladybug, right? As for the life cycle of the butterfly, we have a chrysalis, an adult butterfly, an egg, and a caterpillar. And do y'all remember when we grew them in the classroom, we got them as little tiny eggs, and then they grew into a caterpillar, and then they formed the chrysalis, and then the chrysalis popped and hatched, and out came a beautiful butterfly. So the first series, we always start with the adult. Life cycle of butterfly, the adult butterfly lays eggs. Do you see where the eggs are located on this leaf? Is this the bottom or the top? It's the top of the leaf. So the ladybug lays her eggs on the bottom of the leaf, but the butterfly lays her eggs on top of the leaf. The eggs hatch. They become little bitty caterpillars. They hang out at this stage, and they climb up, and they form the chrysalis. And this is for protection, just like the article said. And inside of here, the butterfly or the caterpillar is growing and changing until it becomes a beautiful butterfly. So today we're going to do a Venn diagram and compare and contrast the two. So we're going to make a Venn diagram together and compare the two, the life cycle of a ladybug and the life cycle of a butterfly. When creating a Venn diagram, you make two circles. The middle is what the two share that they have in common, or the things that are similar. So in this Venn diagram, on the left side, I have the butterfly, and on the right side, I have the ladybug. And in the middle, I have the things they have in common, their similarities. So the first one, 4 stages. I know I'm really tiny in the corner, but 1, 2, 3, 4. The ladybug has 4 stages, and the butterfly, 1, 2, 3, 4. They both have 4 stages, a butterfly and a ladybug. The adult versions both have wings. Differences, we talked about where they lay their eggs. The ladybug lays her eggs under the leaf, whereas the butterfly lays her eggs on top of the leaf. Now it's time for y'all to do your own Venn diagram. So follow the link below and create your own Venn diagram. I can't wait to see them.